Welcome to this channel. Without wasting your time, in this video, I'll be teaching you what Binance Convert is all about. Buying and selling of cryptocurrency is now the easiest task in Binance Exchange. No waste of time and no waste of energy. Buying your cryptocurrency and selling your cryptocurrency and even converting from one cryptocurrency to another is the easiest task on Binance Exchange now. Please, if at the end of this video you find it very useful and helpful to you, subscribe to the channel to help me grow the channel faster. Hit the notification bell so you can be receiving my new video. Let's move on to getting familiar with Binance Convert. How to use Binance Convert. What is Binance Convert? Binance Convert is a service where users can transform the cryptocurrency they hold into another cryptocurrency. That is, convert the cryptocurrency they have into another cryptocurrency they don't have and they want to have in a matter of seconds. Binance Convert also powers the convert function of the Binance apps and is the main option for buying crypto on the app's Binance Lite mode. If you are using Binance Lite mode, the main option to buy cryptocurrency in Binance Exchange is Binance Convert. Binance Convert is a user-friendly feature that allows users to convert their crypto holding into other crypto or even fiat. It allows for crypto conversion by selecting the assets you wish to convert into. A quote is produced, lasting for only a short window as it must reflect the live market price. After the conversion is enacted, the new holding will appear in the user's spot wallet. If you convert from one crypto to another, after the conversion, the new equivalent crypto will appear in your spot wallet. Benefits of using Binance Convert are as follows. Zero fees. Anyone who uses Binance Convert will be able to swap their holdings without any transaction fee. That is, with zero transaction fees charged to them, whereas a trade will incur a fee. Cryptocurrency trading will incur a fee, but converting from one cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency using Binance Convert will not attract a transaction fee. So the second benefit is sophisticated liquidity provision. When a user places a large order, there is the potential for market impact, which in turn can move the price up or down immediately. There's a lot of liquidity in Binance Convert. The next benefit is no size too big. There's no size that is too big in Binance Convert. With Binance Convert, orders of all sizes are supported with no cap. When trading large amounts, a fixed price is still guaranteed, making the transaction more cost effective for the user. Users can convert holdings as low as $1. The next benefit is liquidity for all. Binance Convert effectively eliminates slippage. Trading digital assets that are lower liquidity and volume can trigger slippage. Slippage occurs when an insufficient amount of liquidity exists to fill the order at the user's price target. You can see the benefits of Binance Convert: zero fees, sophisticated liquidity provision, no size is too big, you can convert any size, you can convert as well as $1. Then liquidity for all. There is always sufficient liquidity for you in the market. So that is what Binance Convert. You can see this is the home page of Binance Convert. page of Binance Convert. In our next video, we'll talk about how to use Binance Convert. Thank you. If this video is useful to you, please like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Comment on the comment section of the video, thumbs up for the video, and if you have not done so, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be informed whenever we release new video. A direct link to the Binance Convert is in the description below. You can go from there to this page. Thank you very much and God bless you.